Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video I will teach you how can you open or start MSC Adams View software. I will also teach you how can you start a new modeling session in MSC Adams View. To open the MSC Adams View you have to find the icon of MSC Adams View on the desktop. You can double click on it or you can right click on it and then click on Open. The second way is that you have to write Administration's View in the Windows search bar, and you will see the Adams View app. You can click on the Adams View app. In this way you can also start MSC Adams View. When the Adams View open, the Welcome to Adams dialog box will pop up as you can see on the screen. You can see there are three options. By using First Open you can create a new modeling database. Second one can be used to open the already existing modeling database created by you and sent by any other user. The last option is related Exit Adams View software. Let us discuss about the first option. When you will click on New Model, Create New Model window will pop up. First we will discuss the last option, Working Directory. By using this option you specify the directory to be used as your working directory. Adams View saves all files in this directory. You can change the working directory at any time. You can select any specific folder where you want to save modeling database. The first option is model name. You can give any specific name to your model. In the model name text box, enter the name you want assigned to the new model. You can enter up to 80 alphanumeric characters. You cannot include special characters, such as spaces or periods. In the next option you can specify the gravity acting on the model. By default it is in Y direction. There are three options in this gravity interface which are: Earth normal sets the gravity to 1g downward. No gravity turns off the gravitational force. Other lets you set the gravity as desired. In the next option you can specify the preset unit system for your model. In this option you can see different types of units that can be select for your modeling database. When you will click on OK after considering these settings, you will enter the MSC Adams View interface.